The weather is starting to heat up, so let's recap some of my favorite skincare products of summer 2026. Hi everyone, my name is Alex. I always love doing these season recap videos. We are now in the warmest part of the year, which means a lot of lightweight skincare, a lot of simple routines that just reflect my combination skin at the moment. I've tried to leave options for everyone on here. This is just a current recap of some of my favorites, and I'm very excited to dive into this video. Part of balancing my skin during the warm weather is finding a cleanser that helps my redness, helps my acne, and thoroughly cleanses, which I feel like perfectly encapsulates Prequel's Redness Reform Cleanser. Sulfur is a great calming ingredient for acne and redness, so is azelaic acid. This is a more purifying cleanser that I've noticed my skin really enjoys when the weather is a little bit more warm. My skin is a little bit more oily. Something I can use a lot more frequently during those times, and that's why this is the first product on this list. It is an essential product for my summer skincare routine, and it has the perfect foam to it, where I feel like it is a more purifying cleanser that works amazing for my skin. An active-based cleanser that helps regulate my skin, but is also a great, more purifying gel cleanser is Remedies for Lightweight Cleansing. This is a more foaming, a little bit more purifying cleanser that has a very gentle concentration of salicylic acid in it, and some ingredients that I feel like are really designed to help balance oily skin. I kind of alternate in this, especially when I'm dealing with acne. I find it's a perfect cleanser for that, but not necessarily something that I use every day, just more when I'm needing a balancing staple gel cleanser that has a gentle exfoliant in it. I leave this cleanser on as a face mask for about 5 minutes, 3 to 5 times a week, and that is perfect for me when I'm dealing with really bad acne. Azelaic acid is a key feature in my day-to-day skincare routine, especially in the summer, and the newest one I've been loving for its watery ability and balancing ingredients is Skin 1004's azelaic acid. This is newer to my routine, but I've been loving it this summer for its ability to treat my acne, regulate my redness, and keep my skin feeling and looking calm without experiencing any dryness, any sensitivity, or anything negative with my skin. The best multifaceted acne treatment that I've found is really effective is Experiment's Continuum. It has a lightweight water gel ability where I feel like it is perfect for the warmer weather. It has those potent blend of actives like azelaic acid, salicylic acid, and a PHA, and a very moisturizing yet gentle formula with skin barrier supporting ingredients in it, making it the perfect all-in-one simple acne treatment for your skincare routine. The best sunscreen I have found for the summer is Geek and Gorgeous's Zero Feel, utilizing more advanced European sunscreen filters, delivering a more matte finish to the face, which I found was perfect for the warmer weather. Kind of counteracts some oil production that I would experience throughout the day. It definitely goes on more dewy, but once it dries down, it is super matte, but not drying for the face, which is the perfect encapsulation of what I look for in a matte sunscreen. At the moment, this product is sold out. This product keeps selling out. It is truly one of the best formulas I have ever seen for a sunscreen, and the innovation that they've done with this treatment. Skin 1004's Madagascar Centella TECA ampoule is a summer essential for me for being so lightweight. Takes the centella ampoule that I love, keeps the same lightweight texture, but adds a higher concentration of centella and some added soothing ingredients that I feel like makes it a little bit more worth it. It works amazing for my skin. I have seen great results with my oil production, with soothing my skin, with taking some of the redness out, and adding it to any product that I feel like could benefit from centella, especially when my skin is going through a stressed out period, which happens more frequently in the summer. My go-to moisturizer in the summer is Cocokind's Electrolyte Water Cream. I like it for its balancing complex in here. Some ingredients that I found were beneficial for combating some oil production, but also deeply nourishing and hydrating my skin with the perfect water cream texture, not leaving too heavy of a finish for the face, face, not causing any acne, but still doing everything that I feel like a moisturizer should do, which is hydrate and lock in all of the steps that you went before the moisturizer. It is such an amazing complex. I love this product for the finish, for the ingredients, for everything I have seen positive with my skin. You may find a fluid moisturizer is the way to go for more oily skin, or if you're looking for a lighter weight moisturizer step. I'm excited to try that in the summer with the Ordinary's Rice Lipids plus Ectoin microemulsion, mainly because I love the ingredients in here. It is a super soothing blend, helps combat redness, helps combat acne, and helps support the skin barrier while also calming any irritation that I may experience from over sun exposure in the summer. This is one of the best soothing blends that I have seen to a product. I've been using it as a barrier treatment, but I'm definitely going to try using it as a final step moisturizer in the summer. Antioxidants are crucial to protecting your skin against free radical damage as you are spending more time in the sun during the warmer weather. That's why Remedies for Daily Defense is a no-brainer product for me. It is a vitamin C derivative complex, and I enjoy using it not only for a preventative antioxidant treatment, but as a soothing treatment as well. Has ectoin, has a great barrier strengthening complex, and has some ingredients that I have found benefit from helping to calm and soothe my redness and acne, making it the perfect all-in-one encapsulation for what I look for in a soothing antioxidant treatment, and I love it for that reason. Retinaldehyde is essential in any routine that I have, especially in the summer, and one that I feel like has the perfect light gel texture is Prequel's Retinal Renew. This is a super lightweight formula utilizing some soothing and skin barrier supporting ingredients like teca to help not only deliver a potent amount of retinal to the skin, they have a 0.1 and a 0.2 depending on how much you need, but they also have a calming blend in here to help counteract any dryness or sensitivity that can come from that ingredient, and that's why I feel like it is perfect for the summertime. Milky toners can be beneficial for skin during the warmer weather, especially at night. And one that I feel like has a great soothing blend in here with a lightweight texture is Innisfree's Green Tea Ceramide Toner. This is a super lightweight milky toner that I feel like will be the perfect restorative step in the summer, especially at night. I love the blend of ceramides along with the green tea. Kind of balances oil production and leaves my skin waking up feeling nourished but not suffocated. That is the perfect definition of the type of toner I look for in the summer. When it comes to oil cleansing in the summer, I like to do it to remove all the layers of oil, all the layers of sunscreen that I've applied throughout the day. I like to do it in a lightweight yet effective way, which perfectly encapsulates Prequel's Pre-Cleanse Cleanser. This is a super lightweight oil cleanser that emulsifies amazing, does everything it needs to leave the skin feeling clean but not stripped. It's the perfect first step in the cleansing routine at night that I find that I use every day because it works so well for my acne prone skin. They've used a simple blend of oils in here, and it's something that I find myself loving to use because of the texture and the efficacy of this product. If you prefer a more emulsion delivery to your azelaic acid treatment, then Molecule's azelaic acid is the one I'd recommend for the warmer weather, because once it does fully absorb and dry down into the skin, it feels like it evaporates because the finish is so lightweight. Also has a great soothing blend in here as well, and is marketed to target discoloration, which is kind of an unspoken benefit to azelaic acid that I don't see a lot of people talking about. This treatment has worked great not only for my acne and redness, but my discoloration and post-acne discoloration as well. And I feel like in the summer it's especially important to go for an azelaic acid with the finish that you prefer, whether it be watery or this style of emulsion. Molecules is definitely the one with zero finish whatsoever. If you want a more lightweight milky moisturizer for the summer that has a great soothing blend, Byoma's Hydrating Milky Moisturizer is the way to go. The blend in here is something that has worked amazing for my acne prone skin, works great for my redness, and is super lightweight, has a light water gel texture as you are rubbing it into the face, but practically absorbs and dries down immediately to leave almost no finish, where I feel like any skin type could benefit from it. It's a super lightweight azelaic moisturizer. I feel like it's going to be the perfect summer step for me as a final step moisturizer. Salicylic acid is one of these ingredients that I have found have been more drying, but that's why I like using it in a moisturizer delivery like Byoma's acne clearing moisturizer. This is perfect specifically for when I'm dealing with acne on my face or on my body from excess sweat, and it's the great, more gentle salicylic acid concentration that I found works amazing for my skin to not dry it, but also be effective enough where I see those results with it. It is the perfect, more gentle and moisturizing concentration of salicylic acid. If azelaic acid is a little bit too intense for you and you're wanting a more moisturizing way to use it, Naturium's Multi-Bright Milky Toner utilizes a great azelaic acid derivative that I found is super beneficial for those days where I'm dealing with a lot of sensitivity. Say I've been out in the sun too much and not reapplying sunscreen as thoroughly as I need to. This is the perfect product to use at night to still get an azelaic acid-like benefit with a more gentle derivative, which I found is very beneficial for my skin. This is such a go-to. I know what you're thinking. Milky toners in the summer may not complement your skin. And if that's true, you don't have to go for this product. But if you are wanting something a little bit more nourishing and skin barrier supporting at night, that's what I'd recommend this product. Acne is gonna come up like crazy during the summer, especially when I am dealing with sweating and spending a lot more time outside. That's why it's important that I have the Ordinary Sulfur Spot Treatment on hand, because it is a super effective, not too drying, but drying enough to the semi-drying product for my acne that I can concentrate on those zits to get an effective treatment for them. It's something that works super fast. It has worked for my skin within the first 3 to 4 days of using it, and it is super effective to dry those zits out but not be too drying and uncomfortable for the face. The perfect balancing face mist that is super lightweight and helps regulate some of my oil production is Cocokind's Calming Magnesium Mist. I love this product so much. It perfectly encapsulates everything that I look for in a lightweight balancing face mist, and is perfect for the summer to help you feel refreshed throughout the day but not add heavy layers to your skin. It is perfect for oily skin, it's perfect for dry skin, any skin type, and no matter how your skin feels that day. I love going in with this product. I have used it so many times through all different seasons, and it's just been the holy grail for all seasons. But I especially love it in the summer for its more balancing approach. Hypochlorous acid is essential when spending more time outside, and my favorite one is Peach Slice's Fix All Mist. I keep this with me at all times because you never know when you're gonna need it. When I have been sweating a lot, I'm not wanting to wash my face, I use this product to refresh my skin, kill any bacteria that may be on my face, and it works amazing to help prevent acne at the same time. I don't use this product around skincare product because it can destabilize some actives. That's why it's essential that I use it throughout the day when I'm just needing a daily refresher. Lip sunscreens are essential for my summer skincare routine, and the best one I found not to leave a bad taste, not to leave a bad finish, is Naturium's Phyto Glow Lip SPF. This also comes in a wide range of tints. They have a great range in this product, and I'm hoping it will expand this summer. But it is a holy grail lip SPF because they also have a great untinted version as well. Doesn't leave a chalky feel, doesn't leave a terrible taste. It's just a really nice, luxurious lip SPF that I find myself wanting to apply and reapply with. Super affordable as well. When I'm looking for a lightweight lip balm in the summer, Remedies for Dry Lips encapsulates everything I look for in a super simple, nourishing lip balm that does everything it needs just to be a daily maintenance lip balm throughout the day. No fragrance in this if you are sensitive to that, and barely leaves any finish. It's definitely a more matte product, which is exactly what I look for in the summer. I don't want anything too heavy or to give too much of a finish to my lips, and that's why I love using this product so much. If you're spending a day by the pool or you're just needing a water-resistant sunscreen for day-to-day, Anua Zero Cast sunscreen is my favorite and my holy grail. Leaves no finish, super easy to reapply with this product, and I enjoy it for that reason. It is also water-resistant and doesn't feel heavy like a lot of other water-resistant formulas. It uses American chemical-based sunscreen filters, but it's not too heavy for the face, and I found it it was the perfect sunscreen to leave practically no finish, which is almost unheard of with a lot of other water-resistant sunscreen. Let me know what products are in your current summer essentials and what products you want me to try out next this summer. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.